Whoa, whoa, wait, what? Whoa! Oh my god, it looks like an alien egg. Hi guys, I'm Amir.
Benison.
We are going to be cooking Rocky Mountain oysters. Balls, cojones, aka prairie oysters, huevos de toro, Montana tenderloins,
Swinging beef
dusted nuts.
and cowboy caviar.
How are you handling that with so much ease, bro? All right, we're gonna heat this up.
Is someone supposed to eat this in one sitting? How does this work? All right, so if you guys want to try making this at home, here's the instructions. Step 1, we're gonna parboil the testicles in boiling salted water for about 1 minute. You wanna loosen the outer membrane.
Dude, be careful, don't just drop. That is so
I know, it's gonna
big.
splatter.
Oh yeah, I don't want these balls splattering at me. Why would you do what I told you not to do?
No, I don't want my hands to burn.
No, you just go like this, bro. Well, actually, you're right, dude. It's a lot of water in here.
What do you think these are gonna taste like?
Dude, I think they're gonna be absolutely delicious. I'm gonna take this one off, dude.
Like that ball's ready. It hatched.
Grew a head, dude. Oh my god!
Oh my god. Oh. So let the testicles cool, then remove the tough membrane.
Amir, have you done this before? Oh, look at that skin, bro. There's like
Look at that.
worms on that skin. It's like freaking alien text letting us know that this is going to be delicious.
Oh my god. Okay, the membrane is off the ball.
This is very thick.
And then you're gonna slice the testicles. How thin?
Very thin.
It cuts very nicely.
It cuts like.
You could probably trick people into thinking that's sushi.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like,
See, it looks like sushi. This could be, you know, like some tuna, like.
I don't know what kind of tuna you had, bro.
Flour,
Bro, that finesse.
salt, cayenne pepper.
Black pepper, garlic powder. Double batter the testicles.
Double batter. To the flour, to the egg wash, to the flour, to the egg wash, back to the flour. All right, I'm gonna start beating these eggs.
Get that milk in there.
All right,
Beat that.
I got it. Woo! So I feel like the texture feels most like fish, sashimi. Sometimes a little bit like chicken, but a little bit more slimy.
Yeah, I feel like when I'm touching this, I'm handling, like raw chicken.
Yeah, you wouldn't think at any
let's
point that
go.
you're cooking balls, you know what I mean?
These balls are going through quite a transformation. Dude,
Yeah.
that's 350, bro.
Got it.
That's 350,
We're ready. We're ready to fry some balls.
Ready to fry some balls, baby.
Woo!
We're gonna fry until golden brown. It's crackling, it's popping.
It smells good.
It smells like
calamari.
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 They're rising to the top a little bit. You know, that means they want to pop into your mouth. So we decided we don't want any raw balls.
Yeah.
So we're gonna kind of just cook them out. Dude,
want
this
any
looks good,
stuff
man. Damn, you really wanted all the balls now. Dude, I think we would take this out and no one would know this is ball sack or balls in general.
It is time.
It's time, baby.
time.
We're gonna plate these, make them look beautiful. Let's choose the ones we want, huh?
all of them, huh?
All of them, right? They all look
All
really
look
good.
kinda
This
like-
golden brown.
Oh,
I just went up like 5 levels.
I know.
bro.
Now we can charge
Wait,
like
let
$5.
me just add them. Wait, can we just look at this?
Look at that
Beautiful.
crispy golden brown.
Okay, so you ready to try without the sauce? Cheers.
All right. Cheers. Enjoy. Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Tastes more like calamari. Squid consistency, but very delicious.
You would never know.
I thought this tasted way better than I expected it to. You should go for straight ball. Take out the sack, go for straight ball. I'm telling you, it's gonna change your world.
All right.